Breakfast time. Ruben's breakfast. Mommy's breakfast. And Becky has some pear. So Ruben has a stuffy nose and he threw up today. We were going to go to a friend's house, but we are not now. Instead, we're going to run some errands as quickly as possible and then come home. I need to go to Aldi's and the Health Nut and meet my sister for a visitation at Target, I think. Her kids have...
No. Becky's getting the DVD cases.
Ruben, you shouldn't have pulled them all out. Now finish putting them away so we can go. Look at how cute this is.
Do these ones have sticks on the bottom?
Yes, we got socks for you and Becky because you need them. We are home now. I just finished putting away all the groceries and I'm gonna make a friend of mine a meal who lives really close to me. So I'm making her some cake, roasted veggies, let's see, barbecue chicken, macaroni and cheese.
I like macaroni and cheese. I want that.
I think that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna eat all this stuff too. Although not the cheese, of course. We're gonna start with the cake. We're gonna make half for us and half for my friend. Gluten-free cake. This cake is not very good for you and full of sugar, but we're gonna enjoy it. We don't usually have cake. It's gonna be yummy. Ready to help?
Yeah.
The cake is in the oven. One for us, one for them. Yum. Cake is done. You guys have seen the great food I've fed Ruben. Here's his dinner. He's having leftover pizza and cake. I had the last of my enchiladas that I made. It's a mess. And I also had cake. Becky will not have cake. She is too little. But I'll give her some peas for dinner. Hurrying out the door with all the food for the friend. Whew, feel a little stressed. My house looks like a disaster. Still gotta clean all the stuff up.